gold pouch is empty, but your heart yearns for adventure, you're in luck, because 2025 is stacked with incredible free Dungeons & Dragons games you can play right now on Steam. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your realm of the latest gaming updates. Whether you dream of braving the dark alleys of Neverwinter or exploring the haunted halls of Ravenloft, these titles let you live out epic quests without spending a single gold coin. Let's start with the legendary Dungeons & Dragons Online. This classic MMORPG has been around since 2006 but still gets fresh updates, including a major 2025 upgrade to 64-bit servers for smoother performance. You can roll up a character from 8 starting classes, dive into deep story arcs, and explore iconic realms like Lamordia with the Underdark. With mechanics inspired by 4th edition D&D, plus some fun MMORPG twists, this is the closest you'll get to a virtual D&D table with friends for free. Then there is Neverwinter, the fan favorite set in one of the most iconic cities in the Forgotten Realms. You'll fight undead, solve political conspiracies, and team up with characters like Drizzt in Valindra. It offers fast-paced combat, a living world, and frequent updates, perfect for players who want deep lore, community-driven play, and zero upfront cost. Want something less intense? Isle Champions of the Forgotten Realms has got your back. It's a chill, strategic clicker where you recruit legends like Mince and Karlach, explore famous locales like Barovia, and let your party fight while you work, study, or snack. From hardcore raids to Isle adventures, these games prove you don't need to spend to experience the magic of D&D in 2025. Your next quest is just a download away. Are you excited for this game? Tell us in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. And yes, hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.